Voiceover jobs for beginners. Where does the work of an average voiceover come from? First of all, there's no average voiceover artist. And that's great news because there are so many different niches and unique areas you could be suited for and be interested in. That means you won't be chasing the same work as many others.
Now, you need to make short audio samples of your voice styles, and these are called Showreels. Each one would be aimed at a different use. For example, you'd make one for training, one for phone prompts, one for commercials, and so on. These would be about a minute long, small MP3 audio files that can be attached to emails when you're applying to agents or clients for jobs. You'd also eventually create a simple website where people can listen to your showreels and download them as well for their reference. But you don't need a website to start with. You could host your samples on SoundCloud, or you could use an existing, very popular website where there are huge amounts of voiceover customers visiting every day.
We're talking about the Fiverr platform. And when you start with Fiverr, you can set up 7 separate voiceover offers in different styles. Using this platform is often a great way for beginners to voiceover to get some traction in their careers. It's so important and effective for us voiceovers that we have created not 1, but 2 courses about every detail of getting work from Fiverr.
You know, Fiverr's completely free to sign up to. There are other websites where you can post your voice samples to get your first jobs in. In fact, all these on screen now don't charge at all. If you create and post winning showreels and have an attractive offer, you could well get income from these areas as well. Most of these sites do, however, check the quality of your showreels before your account goes live. So that's why it's important to get training to ensure that your voice and your recordings are optimized so you sound professional and won't get rejected from the better voice platforms.
There are other platforms or websites that do charge a subscription. These are the so-called pay-to-play sites. And even though you have to subscribe, there's no guarantee you'll get extra work from them than from free sites, or in fact, any work from these sites. The main ones of this type that cover the English voiceover jobs across the world are voices.com, voice123.com, and bodalgo.com. But we really recommend to beginners that you get some solid training in and get some experience before investing in pay-to-play sites.
The voiceover platforms may give you the odd job now and again. It's interesting to see the many types of projects you're asked to audition for every day, but most of your income will come from making relationships direct with production companies, audio studios, and voiceover agents who could be, thanks to the internet, anywhere round the world, as virtually everybody needs English versions of voiceovers, no matter what the native language of a country is. English is an international language. We are so lucky.
When you start out and begin to get interest from various studios and direct clients, you never know where it will lead you. And you could get to be an in-demand voiceover in all sorts of unusual niches. Weirdly, even though you may try to find a specific part of voiceover work that interests you, sometimes that specialist niche finds you.
You could be that voiceover who specializes in narrating historical audiobooks.
Or you're the go-to person for northern chatty accents or lilting soft sell commercials.
Or you always get asked to do the shouty hard sell adverts.
You could be the trusted voice of tourism audio guides in museums or art galleries.
Your voice may be perfect to help navigate callers through an organization's phone system. For accounts, press 3.
Or you could be that crystal clear voice for PA systems at the train or rail stations.
You may have a native accent that people would admire and find useful for various specific projects, or a voice age that clients want to utilize as well. So there are plenty of opportunities out there. But surely if you've got an agent, won't they find you work? Well, we'll discuss agents in the next video. See you then. By the way, click the link if you'd like to download this video's PDF checklist. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.